So my objective here is to get this wood as thin as possible. Now I've planed it down pretty thin, about 2 mil, maybe 2 or 3 mil already, just on a regular table saw sled. But at a certain stage that becomes a bit impractical. So here I have a lot of double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to place each board down onto this piece of MDF. And now, hopefully by passing these through, they should provide a stable enough platform to me to get these thin enough. Now, cut a lot of dovetails. A lot of them by hand. Yeah. And I'm no expert at it. Definitely not a master, but I think I'm good at it. I can do them. I'm pretty confident with it. So once you can do something, I think the next step is how easily you can do it. And that jig over there, I like it. Very repeatable. You only have to mark it out on one of your pieces. Set your stop block. Line it up with the saw curve. Cut away. I think I broke my table saw though. Not looking good. That won't make this any easier.
Now I do already have a video on my channel that goes into a lot more detail about how to cut this kind of inlaid dovetails, so I'll leave a link to that in the cards up above if you're interested.
Unfortunately, because of a minor miscalculation, I do need to make this extra step with a router. No big deal though. Now, I genuinely haven't tested this yet, but they've all fit before, so this one should too, right? Yeah. Let's go. Here goes, huh? Very snug. To be honest, they all have been, so bit of persuasion is all that's needed. I'll live with that. It ain't perfect, but bit of finagling. got it. Still got it. Here I have the maple half of the inlay all taped up together, and yeah, I'm gonna try to glue it together with just regular bog standard wood glue. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but what I have, so yes, I'm applying with my finger like a savage or something. I think that's looking quite well. We'll wait till tomorrow for it to see if it actually has joined. That looks quite good. I'm quite pleased. Okay, this is where we're at. We have a test piece done. And yeah, based on the severe complexity of my test piece, I figured next logical step, this. And this should, through the miracle of tracing paper, be transferred. I always love this bit. Ah, oh, that looks cool. Yeah. Bit of a jump, huh? So a quick note on Marquetry. It is very, very tough. The steep learning curve, shall we say. I've had to really change up what I was doing a couple of times because it was failing. But I think I've kind of got the hang of it. Secret is tape. There's lots of tape. Masking tape to stop cracking, double-sided sticky tape to stick it down while you're cutting the thing, more masking tape over it to hold the pieces. I mean, that's the back of it. It looks like an absolute mess. Oh, I was done. Thought I was done. But then, of course, I noticed this. I was very tired at the time and didn't realize that the grain of this is going this away. It should be going that away. Who'd notice? Probably no one. I would though. So, alright. Of that, quickly take it out, swap it around, and I'll be back to you. Oh, that was a horrendous amount of work. But it's all in. We have Mr. and Mrs. Farrington. I think my plan is fill in any little gaps with walnut sawdust and glue. Then I'm going to cover all this with tape. Flip it round, take off all of that tape, and then glue it down to the lid of the box, which I have here. Sounds like a plan. Well, I done up. Yeah, the glue up did not go well.
I filled in all the gaps and then with sawdust and glue, and it was looking perfect. And then, like a very clever guy, I rubbed it down with a wet cloth, clear up the excess glue. That was a terrible idea, and it fell completely to bits. I mean, that's part of the misses there. I glued up what I could, and we'll see if any of it can be salvaged. This is the moment of truth, I guess. Have I wasted a week of my life? The Farrington doesn't look too bad. And I got Mr. most of it, and is alright. The heart is rough, but it'll do. Okay. It is not as bad as it might have been. Since the last video, I've been rather busy. I managed to salvage oh, very dusty in here. Managed to salvage this sign. So now, incredibly daunting task of trying to glue everything together all at once, because there's no other way to do it. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, I'll best get cracking. Box. Seam? What seam, huh? Beautiful. Too many screws everywhere. For anyone who actually stuck it out this far in the video, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, this was definitely a challenging project, but it was fun, and I learned a lot about inlays. And I already have some more ideas on how to improve the process, so stick around for those videos in the future. And again, cheers for watching. Clamp down. Clamp down. Very complicated drum. Oh gosh. Alright.